This is the elevator. This is the elevator at the Lord and Taylor store at the Bridgewater Commons Shopping Center in Bridgewater, New Jersey. This is a Schindler RT. It'll open up. Are you going down?
Yeah.
Oh, I just have an interest in the elevator.
You have to do what?
What? No. I just like documenting elevators. Yeah. It's a hobby. Yes. It's a really cool hobby.
You just
yeah, just document them. Yeah. Just to see how special they are.
Interesting.
Have a good day. Just the RT chimes, and here we go. Get on an elevator, lower level. Door close doesn't work. 2,500 pound capacity. This is an old Hahne and Company store elevator, and this cab is very, very similar to the one at Rockaway Town Square. The added 88 phone. There's your bell. Again, it's a 2,500 pound capacity. This was installed sometime in, I think it was 1987 this was installed. Give it one more ride. These are Westinghouse Schindler RT fixtures. The escalators here recently just got replaced. And here we go. Door closed does not work. It's a very nice elevator. Actually, no, it's a piece of crap. Although the one in Rockaway is a lot worse than this. I will say that. So, oh, okay, all right. I think we're done here. It's a cab. The floor looks like a Hahne and Company floor. You guys have seen this elevator many times. Going down. Looks like your GAL interlock. There it goes, and that's it.